British slang for celebrations and good times. Part 19. Want to celebrate like a true Brit? Today we're covering another five essential British slang words for parties and good times and having some fun. So by the end of this video, you'll sound like a native when chatting about celebrations. This is part 19 of our British slang speaking course. So if you've missed the previous parts, there is a link above. I think it's here or here. And if not, wait till the end of the video and there's another link which takes you directly to it. Okay, now, welcome back to your daily cup of English. I'm Jimmy, and today we're learning 5 more slang words for celebrations and good times. So whether you're talking about a party, an amazing event, or just a fun night out, you'll sound like a local. Well, I'll break down their meanings, show you how to pronounce them, and then you'll hear them in action in a real conversation at a birthday party. And of course, you'll get to practice speaking along, so you can start using them right away. And don't forget, part 20 is the last part in this part. This will be the last part tomorrow. Yeah, number 20 will come out tomorrow. So, if you've not subscribed yet, subscribe now to make sure you get the last part. And after that, we are starting a idioms course. This has been asked for by a part of our community. Some of the guys in the community has asked us to make an idiom course. So we're going to go through an extra big idiom course. So here are your British slang words for celebrations and good times. First slang word, buzzing, buzzing, meaning really excited or happy. And your example sentence, I'm buzzing for tonight's party. And the pronunciation is like buzz-ing, buzzing, buzzing, buzzing. Okay? Now, your next slang or phrase is knees up, meaning a lively party or gathering. Your example sentence, we had a proper knees up last night. And your pronunciation for this is knees up, knees up. Quite simple. Now, your next slang word is smashing, smashing, meaning excellent or fantastic. Your example sentence, that was a smashing night out last night. Your example sentence, that was a smashing night out. And your pronunciation is smash-ing, smashing, smash-ing, smashing. Now, next one is one of my favourites. I use this a lot. If anything's really good, this is what I would use. And it is blinding, blinding. It means brilliant or amazing. Your example sentence, the fireworks were absolutely blinding. Okay? And your pronunciation is blinding, 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 blinding. Okay? Now, your next slang word is another one of mine, which I use a lot. And it's cracking, cracking. And it means really good or impressive. Your example sentence is, that was a cracking performance. And your pronunciation is crack in, cracking, 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 cracking time. Now, on to the speaking part. Let me tell you how the speaking part works. Part 1, listen only. Listen carefully as you hear a full conversation using all 5 of these slang words. Pay close attention to how they are used naturally in context. Part 2 is your turn. Now, in part 2, it's your turn to start speaking. One side of the conversation will be muted and the words will come up on the screen. What I want you to do is read the words out aloud as if you and I are having a conversation. This will help you get comfortable using these slang words in a real conversation. And in part 3, we swap roles. I say what you said and you say what I said. This will give you a full interactive experience and make sure you really understand and remember, which is always important, these slang words. Okay, so that's how the speaking works. So let's start our conversation. Now imagine me and you are at a birthday party and this is where we're having this conversation. Remember, part 1, listen only. Okay, ready? Here we go with our conversation. Wow, this party is amazing. Absolutely buzzing.
Yeah, me too. It's been a proper knees up.
For sure. The food was smashing as well.
Yeah, and the fireworks were blinding. Best party I've been to in ages.
Agreed. And the DJ, absolutely cracking tunes all night.
Definitely. Right, let's grab another drink and keep celebrating.
Sounds like a plan, matey. Wow, this party is amazing. Absolutely buzzing. For sure. The food was smashing as well. Agreed. And the DJ, absolutely cracking tunes all night. Sounds like a plan, matey. Yeah, me too. It's been a proper knees up. Yeah, and the fireworks were blinding. Best party I've been to for ages. Definitely. Right, let's grab another drink and keep celebrating. And that's it. You've just learnt 5 British slang words for celebrations and good times and practice them in a real conversation. Now it's your turn. Try using them in your daily English practice. And a bit of a challenge for you, drop a comment down below using one of these or 2 or 3 of these slang words in a sentence or in 2 sentences or in 3, and I'll be reading and replying to as many as I can. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss part 20, the final episode of our British English slang speaking course. And then we will start our idiom speaking course. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Ta-da.